Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Cambridge School e-learning series. I am Indrajit Kaur here, your computer teacher. Today, we will learn about chapter 3rd, working with MS Access. First of all, we will learn about what is database. A database is organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and efficiently. We can store large amount of data on small memory location. A computerized record keeping system is a collection of program that enables you to store, modify and extract information from a database known as DBMS, Database Management System. It saves our time and energy. Data handling using DBMS becomes fast and efficient. There are two types of databases, flat file database and rotational database. A flat file database refers to the data files that contain records which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel that we can make on a table with different field names. Next is relational database. A relational database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. For example, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. We can make many tables and we can join them. We can cut fields from them. It is possible only in MS Access. Structure of a database. Table. Table is a good use of a database. Tables are the building blocks of database. They store that complete data in a structured manner, that is in the form of rows and columns. Every table has a finite number of rows and columns. We can give the number of rows and columns. We can increase and decrease according to our need. Elements of a table. What are there in table? First of all, fields. All the columns in a table are called fields. A field is a specific attribute of all the records in a table. Field means that heading we are giving to the column. Name, class, roll number. Next, record. The row in a table is called a record. The record contains the values for the fields that belongs to a single person. Record means which row? A row that belongs to a single person. Next is data. A set of characters that represents a valid value is known as a data. Valid value means that proper record that is correct. It is a data. For example, that is filled in a column, filled in a cell. For example, Sandeep 8970 are the data values for specific fields. Queries. A database stores vast amount of data, but queries helps us to retrieve the filtered data upon some conditions. We can filter data using the queries. Like as we are having 5 fields in a table, what we want 3 tables, we can filter it using the queries. Queries are also used to perform actions such as delete, update, etc. on the data based upon the some criteria. Forms. Forms are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitates the process of entering data in tables and queries. A form has an attractive interface that accepts data from the user and forwards it to the corresponding table or query. It is a user-friendly interface. It always combines the data and picks the attractive, make it attractive table. They can give it designing. Next, reports. Reports are used to display the selected data in a printable format. Like as we have a record in a table, but we want to filter it and after that we want to make it a report. Like as you are getting your report card. In the same way it is used. Report collects the summarized data from one or more tables, queries and organize it in a printable form. Next, what is Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS situational database management system that serves as an integral part of a Microsoft Office suite of application. It is used to organize and manipulate data It organizes data in the form of tables. It provides the facility to create relationship between the tables using common fields. A relational database prevents duplication of data. Another important feature of Access is that you can add, update, delete, view data and establish a relationship by using forms, find and desired way by using queries, and print data in a specific layout by using reports. First of all, we can make simple table, then we can sort data using queries, then using the form we can make it more attractive and build a relationship between two tables, and using the report field we can make a report for a future use. Okay, dear students, I hope you have learned about Access in this video. In next video, we will learn more about MS Access. So, now my dear students, thanks and take care.